Welcome back to Phone Transformer, where today I am going to show you exactly how to sign up on Zoom so you can start joining meetings and staying connected. This process is quick and easy for anyone using a mobile device, so now let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Zoom app on your smartphone or tablet by tapping the blue icon in your app menu. This is the first step to accessing the platform's communication tools and getting your account set up. Step 2 is to click on Sign Up, which you will find at the bottom of the initial welcome screen. This option is specifically for new users who need to register their information to create a fresh profile. Step 3 is to write your birth year into the selection field and then click Continue to move forward. This information is used for age verification to ensure that the account meets the service's safety and legal standards. Step 4 is to click on Continue with Google to use your existing Google credentials for a much faster registration. This method is highly recommended because it links your account instantly without the need to create a new password. Step 5 is to choose your account from the list of available Google profiles displayed on your device. By selecting your primary email address, you ensure that all your future meeting notifications are organized in one place. Step 6 is to Continue to confirm that you are allowing Zoom to access your basic profile information. This step is necessary to bridge the connection between your Google account and the Zoom application. Step 7 is to click the cross icon located at the top of any promotional or informational pop-ups that might appear. Closing these windows helps clear your screen so you can focus on finishing the final parts of the setup. Step 8 is to tap on Launch Zoom to redirect yourself back into the application from the verification browser. This button is the final bridge that activates your newly created account and opens the app's main interface. Step 9 is to click Get Started to land on your brand new dashboard where you can manage your meetings. This final action completes the registration and leaves you ready to explore all the features Zoom has to offer. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials.